In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade CFD on XTB. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to open up their XStation 5, which is their web trading platform, and you want to go to the Market Watch section up top left over here. This is where you want to click on this arrow button over here, the very far right. As you can see it's very small. You want to click on it, and then here you can select if you want to trade stocks CFD or if you want to trade CFD, okay? So if you go to ETF and more, you should be able to see CFD here on the list, and then you can just click on it, select the specific CFD you would like to trade. So I'm just going to click on something random over here, and it's going to pop up like this, okay? Of course, you can click on this button to actually pop it up on the chart so you can do some technical analysis if you want to, and then you can just, of course, sell and buy over here right away. Do it on the chart, or what I prefer, double click on it. It's going to pop up in this separate tab over here where you can do either a market order or a stop/limit order, and then you can set stop losses, take profits, the volume, see the prices, etc., and then just basically place your orders and start trading CFD. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.